In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book a hotel in Agoda. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Booking a hotel on Agoda is extremely simple. When you visit their website at agoda.com, you will be able to immediately find the option to search for a destination or property. You will also be prompted to create an account. However, this is optional for now. I would recommend you to create an account during the checkout process to make sure that you will be able to manage this booking later, but you don't have to worry about that to start. All that you have to do here is use the search function to look for a specific destination or property. You can choose between hotels and homes, private stays, long stays, and also the option to do an airport transfer. In here, include the destination or property, the dates, and after you include all of this, you can include how many people are going to be traveling. So you can include the number of rooms, the number of adults ages 18 or above, and then children between 0 and 17 years old. So include all of this and then click the search function. You can also click add a hotel. And this will allow you to search for multiple hotels at once and maybe save a little bit of money. So all that you have to do after you include all of this information is to browse through the list of results. You will notice that this is extremely customizable. There are a bunch of filters. You can sort these by stars, you can sort these by a variety of factors, and once you find something that satisfies you, all that you have to do is select it. There will be plenty of pictures, videos, and I would highly recommend you to take your own time and carefully browse through all of them to find something that satisfies you. For this video, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm just going to select the first option that I see. But like I said, you should carefully browse through all of them. Once you select any property, there will be a bunch of highlights. Sometimes you can find this icon telling you that Agoda recommends this place, and you can browse through all of the rooms available. Once you find something that satisfies you and you are ready to book, click the option to book now or add to cart. You can add multiple items to your cart or just select book now and you will be immediately redirected to a page where you can finish making this booking. Now, this process is extremely straightforward and it can be entirely done through the website as you saw here. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I recommend that you create an account just to make sure that you can manage this booking later, but until this point on the checkout, it is not going to be needed. So, complete your cart, proceed, and this page is going to take a while to load. Once it does, you can change how you want to pay for this order here and finish everything. The hotel or the booking is going to be attributed to your account, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish to book your next hotel or property on Agoda. I hope I was able to help you on how to book a hotel on Agoda. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.